Have you ever wanted to be able to make a curry in under 30 minutes? My name is London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, and today we're going to be making a vegan chickpea curry. Wait! I know what all of you meat lovers are thinking. Where's my meat? This curry is so filling, so flavorful that I promise you won't even miss your beloved meat. Also, if you would like a few ingredient substitution ideas, stay tuned to the end of this video where I show you some quick and easy swaps. This all sounds good to you? Come on in and let's get started. Our vegan chickpea curry is all ready to eat, and I cannot wait to dig in. The whole house smells so delicious. Here we go. The sweetness from the tomatoes mixed with all of the spices. This is such a quick and easy and super filling vegan chickpea curry recipe. If you want to know a few substitutions, the first one, jalapeno. You can either leave it out if you don't like spicy food or substitute it for a serrano pepper. Next, the coconut milk. I used full-fat coconut milk in this recipe, but you can also use a lighter coconut milk to make it lower in fat and calories. And lastly, we served it over a bed of Basmati rice today. However, feel free to use regular white rice, brown rice, or even cauliflower rice if you want to make it a little lower in carbs. If you're on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe down below so you don't miss a future recipe. Or if you want to check out more vegan dinner recipes, go right up here and take a peruse at all of the other yummy dishes. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you again soon.